khudam ni lau ai mo today. So I didn't see my share of the Doshi organization of Pirak Pasida session with any Tom Kaido Pirak, but as I have shared with you before, understanding of the like to the base where a kind of solution after the finish. So there is an intimate relationship between the two sessions. So moderators in another kitchen integrate the women jungle. So I didn't see either to say I think premise I don't know to get to Kapocha, Marie Tangai, and the layout of the premise session. I got problem normally. Problem is I specific money college now. One, I would call it historical background or a process. History, first point. Second, I feel different aspiration. I would put a home school, Indian state and Manipur. I would think interest in key players. Problems in money, understand the share. So to begin with, what is the problem? We have a problem. How to understand the problem? I got a problem. There's something I have the definition, working definition of the problem. Problem is the conditions wherein there exists a gap between the present state of affair and a desired state of affair. But you see what you people any part of the technically problems, all problems. Whenever we say we have a problem with definition, there's a gap between the present state and the desired state. And easily gaps in the problems. And the ability must take problems. I see it in two ways. One is Akoijam states that deeply fractured is divided among, particularly among communities. Sine is like 2001. Masimama Musule, I have talked to elders, 1960s, they become Adugi Mama, the 20th century, returned the schooling system, the Bawa, Delhi, the labor campus, with those who the Salaga, Ching the labor campus, whether Sunday Monday, Ifal Karaka, and Pope on this school Karaka, different kind of socialization, religious socialization. It's a historical process in the labor gaps. So, the problem say fractured labor society say fractured point among the conflict stay so our desire is non-fractured labor states in a fractured labor society, uneasy gaps in the problems. Feudal and colonial and monarchical system that they are dictat haita sito Meitei Personality the info more create the puni injury technical had this interpretation the yin loiba o and ruler own these are all subjects. French philosopher Michel Foucault, like one man, patriarch Protestants, all Roman family, the patriarch has the right over the children, the wife, the slave in the family. He can kill them and can throw them out because he is responsible for that life. Sigi, lady, but me, Sigi, right out of the subject in the lady, the evening to more than another, the Chatunam Adata, Haibaki, Yabali Chanabi, Maduki, feudal and monarchical structure. What is Hanavia, the Niki right, the democratic spirit, liberalism, modern way of life, and we are the Sito, and in the community, and that way, the Natra, so I nice out, I nice out, I had an 20 years, Mamma, they not take a amazing. Modern life, which are the farmers, the more generous, what it was in the sun, culture. I could be liberal, modern democratic form in the Bahan, like if you will, Sugaira, Hatura, highway culture, this is nothing new. I know how to know around first memorial lecture, 2006, one of the critical problems the Akoijam city culture is in the city. But the resilient way, the states generate or message dialogue ki culture wari watai sa ko sida ba personal ek common argument min ngangi ba wa do na tabida ma di aduni anani na crack in the bucket ki culture hai ga punni yo wai khu ki sa nabi ham ba. This is our present state, our desired state when a panchabana democratically na kena bale su community mal ko bi ai ko same community mal ko bi ai modern life amada tana khonaraga wari watai saba issue based nanga do nam tabaki sigi akoina pamjaiba liberal society ani si. So in conclusion akoi problem is just a fracture of the society amana society culture liberal culture like the dictate the chatba fu wa khana ko de na chana bi the society masigi society ani si implications ina development and ko na si modern me amana chocolate pa same to me people forget I say if you are a fractured society if you don't have this liberal culture of dialogue and others you will never have economic development. Economic development is a high level cultural tendency young memory whatever a society which is peaceful non-fractured where you have this liberal democratic capacity in the legacy development memory aduna the spectacular Chinese growth in economy, people have been arguing that a state-sponsored issue, there will be a point in time if you don't have this background of a liberal culture, that can crumble anytime like a pack of cards.